adding social media links and labels for an organisation. So in this field, we add in all the social media links by simply adding a row and then clicking on the drop down. There's a few selections here: Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, Insta, YouTube and other. So just select whichever one it is. Copy and paste the URL here. Now this label field is only to be used when the other is used. I'll just remove Instagram label here. So here we've got the GRI. Now usually you can find the social media links by going directly to the home page and either scrolling down the bottom, doesn't look like they're on the bottom there, or up the top. So there is LinkedIn, Twitter and Medium. So going back to the template, we have LinkedIn, Twitter and other, and in the label is Medium. Another example is Clean Air Task Force. So if we were to go to their homepage, and scroll to the bottom, we find that they've got LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. So just right click or control click if you're on a Mac and paste the URLs into the template. And lastly, another example is Packs for Peace. Oh, actually, so this one is incorrect because they've actually labeled these with Clean Air Task Force. So just leave these blank unless it is the other. And this, so Packs for Peace, going to their homepage, scrolling down the bottom, and there you've got YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, and RSS feed.